So friends, let us begin with our 8.2 question number 4. The cost price of an article was rupees 15,500. Rupees 450 was spent on its repair. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the article. So here the question says that there is an cost price of an article, that is CP of an article is equal to rupees 15,500. Some repair work done, that is known as additional expenses on this article, it is rupees 450. So whenever additional expenses, we need to find net price is equal to cost price plus additional expense. It means rupees 15,500 plus rupees 450. Clear? So our net price will be, that is known as NP, rupees 15,950 rupees if we add these two, cost price and additional expenses. Now they have said that profit has been done. So profit 15% on net price. Now not in cost price क्योंकि अब additional expense आ गया तो net price. So 15% profit on net price. Therefore 15% on rupees 15,950. Clear? So 15% of out of 100. So what will be out of 15,900? If we do the cancellation of this, 0 0 get cancelled. Clear? Then this also reduce, 5 2s and 5 3s. So we are getting here 3 multiplied by 1595 divided by 2. So this much rupees, 15 multiplied by 955, it will be 4785 divided by 2. And I divide it by 2, then I am getting how much rupees? 2,392 rupees and 50 paise. So this is profit, 15% profit in rupees up on net price. Now, so what will be the selling price of this article? Therefore, selling price is equal to net price plus profit. Profit is always added. सर कॉस्ट प्राइस पे आप हमेशा लिखते थे तो, बट जब नेट प्राइस आ जाता था तो वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन नेट प्राइस. सो नेट प्राइस इज रुपीज 15,950 प्लस द प्रॉफिट इज 2395 पॉइंट, सॉरी माफ करना, 2392.50 पैसा. क्लियर? सो इफ वी एड, so SP is equal to 18,342.50. This is the amount at what an article will be sold, SP. Clear? We can move for the next sum, fifth one. So here friend, question number 5. A VCR and TV. VCR means in previous time, अभी जैसे CDs और DVDs और कंप्यूटर पेन ड्राइव आ गया, वैसे वीडियो रिकॉर्डर वाला CD जैसे टैप कैसेट आता था, वैसे वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग करके VCR आता था और उसको प्ले किया जाता था, बड़ी कैसेट आती थी. सो अ VCR एंड TV सेट वर बॉट फॉर ₹8,000 ईच. यहाँ कंफ्यूज नहीं होना, 8,000 ईच मतलब VCR का भी CP है 8,000 अलग से और टीवी का भी CP है 8,000 अलग से. दोनों का सेम रेट है, दोनों का मिला के 8,000 नहीं है. सो बी क्लियर ओवर हियर. Then the shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on VCR and a profit of 8% on TV. Find the gain or loss percentage on the whole transaction. Means इसको अलग से ट्रांजेक्ट किया, इसको भी अलग से बेचा दोनों को, पर ओवरऑल दोनों में क्या प्रॉफिट हुआ या लॉस, दैट वी नीड टू फाइंड. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल वर्क ऑन द VCR. So let us begin here. Please pay attention. CP of VCR is rupees 8,000. Now loss 4% on CP. So 4% लॉस किया है. So 4% आउट ऑफ 100 और इसका VCR का CP is rupees 8,000. So 0 get cancel, 8 4 32. So rupees 320 is loss. Now this loss we will remove it from the original cost price. We will get selling price. कितने में बेचा होगा उसने? सो CP माइनस लॉस. ठीक है ना, लॉस माइनस हो जाता है. सो कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 8,000 माइनस लॉस इज 320. सो ही माइट हैव सोल्ड दिस VCR at rupees 7,680. This is the first thing what I have got. Okay, then I have to work for TV also. Then CP of TV is also separately 8,000, not along with this. I am putting a differentiation line over here. So this is the first thing for VCR. Now we are working on television. So CP of television is 8,000 and profit हुआ है उस पर is equal to 8% on CP. किसकी? Of TV. So 8% and CP of TV is also 8,000. So 0 get cancel. 8 8 is 64 or 0 means rupees 640 is profit on TV. Okay, so selling price of TV कितने में बेचा होगा? CP plus profit. Okay, that is rupees 8,000 plus rupees 640. So it will be rupees 8,640. This is SP TV के लिए. ठीक है? This is the second thing what I. So first SP and second SP. So I will get total SP of this. Total SP of both VCR plus TV. That is rupees 7,680 plus 8,640. So it will be rupees 16,320. This is total SP. Clear? दोनों का मिला के 1 and 2. Now total CP भी है हमारे पास. टोटल CP क्या होगा? Of both is equal to VCR plus TV means 8,000 VCR ka and 8,000 of TV. That will be rupees 16,000 is the total CP. Now out of these two we have got total CP 16,000 and total SP 16,200. So here SP is greater than CP. It means it is profit SP minus CP, that is 320 minus 16,000. So rupees 320 is overall profit. So overall profit percent भी निकालना पड़ेगा. How much percentage they have asked in the question. So overall profit percent. So profit is 320 multiplied by 100 and net price of both दोनों का CP देखना together CP is 16,000. दोनों का CP लेना पड़ेगा ना. टोटल 16,000 के ऊपर इतना प्रॉफिट हुआ है. And whatever calculation we will get profit. So here also 0 0 0 0 get cancelled. This 0 get cancelled. So 16 1 ja and 16 2 ja. So 2% overall profit on sale of VCR and TV. How much? Overall 2% profit. Clear? Hope so this much clear to you. Now we will proceed for the next sum in the next video.